Understanding monitor usage, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, monitor usage. This is a common term you might come across in various contexts, especially in technology and management. Understanding this phrase will help you grasp instructions and discussions more effectively. Monitor and usage are two words with distinct meanings. Monitor refers to regularly checking or observing something. It's about keeping an eye on a situation or a process. On the other hand, usage refers to the way something is used or the amount something is used. When combined, these words form a phrase that means observing or keeping track of how something is used. Let's put monitor usage in different contexts. 1. Technology. In a tech context, monitor usage could refer to tracking how much time or resources a software or device is being used. For example, the IT department monitors internet usage to ensure network security. 2. Workplace. In a workplace, this phrase can mean observing how employees use their time or company resources. For instance, managers monitor the usage of office supplies to control costs. 3. Home and daily life. At home, it might mean checking how much electricity or water is being used. Like, we monitor our water usage to reduce our bills. Understanding monitor usage is important because it often relates to efficiency, security, and resource management. In workplaces, schools, or even in personal life, being aware of how resources are used can lead to better decision-making and more effective use of time and materials. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, monitor usage, better. Remember, it's all about keeping track of how something is used, whether it's technology, time, or resources. Stay curious and keep learning new phrases to improve your English. See you in the next video.